370 students from 3 villages in Borpeta, Assam were faced with an uncertain future when the Kharbali Lower Primary School was washed away during the devastating floods of 2022. A year on, the students' hopes and dreams have been rekindled after the school was rebuilt by Groupe Le Grand India as a part of their social initiative. Working in close collaboration with the community and United Way India, Groupe Le Grand India undertook the complete reconstruction of the school by employing members of the local populace.
We came here because of the flood situation, and let us hope that such a situation never should happen, not only to Assam, not even to any other state. So wherever such a need is there during the disaster, we definitely, as a socially committed organization, we would be supporting. This approximately at present close to 60 lakhs. The infrastructure and all the elements, we still looking for the possibility of how we can actually develop further.
কোন ক্লাছত পঢ়া?
5 পর
তোমালোকৰ ইয়াত স্কুল এখন আজি স্থাপিত হ'ল, কেনেকুৱা লাগিছে?
ভালো লাগিছে।
ডাঙৰ হ'লে কি হ'বা?
নার্স হব।
আমার খুব খুশি লাগছে, খুব সন্তুষ্ট হয়েছি, খুব খুশি হয়েছি মাটি দেওয়াতে। হ্যাঁ, ল'ৰা ছোৱালীবিলাক পঢ়িব, পঢ়ি আৰু কিবা ডাঙৰ হ'ব।
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to East Mojo. For any queries, put them down in the comments section below and press on the bell icon for notifications.